Good morning. Look how beautiful it is today. I just picked those roses. Day before yesterday, I picked more than 3 pounds of rose petals to make rose petal jam. And look at that. Now that's two 16-foot long panels in the front. And there's 2 rose bushes, one on the right, one on the left of the arch. But can you see that? It's pretty amazing. Let me see if I could get closer. You can see how incredible these are. The light is a little interesting out here. It's a little dark just because it's early in the morning. Aren't those beautiful? And they're super fragrant. They smell like cold roses and apples together. Look at that. It's just amazing. And my chickens love the rose petals that fall on the ground, which is kind of funny. And on top of that, they keep the bottom of the roses trimmed for me. Which is okay because it helps to let air into the garden, because I do plant vegetables on the other side of this in a garden bed. Just beautiful. All right, we're going in there. Looks like I need to come out here and pick snap peas. There's quite a few of those going. But that's not why I'm here at the moment. You can see things are looking pretty good. We've had a lot of rain this June. It is mid-June, 16th. Right now, some things are doing better than others. I don't know why things seem late. It's been cool and rainy here in Rhode Island, but things are coming along. But again, that's not why we're here. The reason we are out here this morning is what I want to show you is everything you grow in a vegetable garden doesn't have to be for food. So I grow corn, but I don't grow it for us to have corn on our table. This really long weedy row right here, it's probably 14 feet altogether, is corn. I know, I need to weed it and mulch it. It's finally come up enough so it doesn't look like little blades of grass, and I don't have to worry about pulling out the corn plants. And I know a whole bunch of you are going to say that needs to be 4 feet wide, at least a block 4 feet wide, or it won't pollinate. I know, but I don't care if it pollinates. I'm not growing it for us to eat ears of corn. I'm growing it for fall decorations. Isn't it funny how when corn comes up, it really looks like blades of weeds, like grass? Crazy. Now, I do grow about 70% of the fruits and the vegetables that we eat in our household. But I don't grow everything in my garden to eat it. I try to only plant things in here that are edible, like the flowers that I put in here for pollinators. Most of those, you can eat the leaves, you can eat the blossoms, that kind of thing. Because I don't want my family or one of my, my kids or my husband to come out here, grab something that looks good and accidentally get a leaf off of a plant that's not edible. So I do that just as a course of action. We also do have a couple of dogs. We don't let them in the garden, but just in case, I'm going to take care of them because, they're my fur kids. But I don't think that everything in the garden has to be something that goes on the table. That's why I grow corn. In the fall, I love to have corn stalks to decorate my mailbox or my front door. They look really cute. It's kind of hard to find them to buy them locally, so I grow them. I don't care if they produce ears of corn. When they tassel, I will shake the tassels. I will attempt feebly probably to pollinate them, but if they don't grow any corn at all, I really don't care. So growing in the garden isn't just about surviving for me, it's about thriving too. And I want to have the things I enjoy around me without having to buy the extra stuff. If I can grow it, I'm going to grow it. And you can do that too. Again, the roses, isn't that just insane? They've come back so well. Just from, like I said, me taking almost all the blossoms just day before yesterday. And there's plenty more to come. This new dawn rose is just incredible. Incredible. I would plant it everywhere if I could. I suppose I should get on with harvesting the peas.